Okay, hi and welcome to a super easy Ben Golding guitar class today. But we're having a look at an absolute classic bit of soul. It's the beautiful Your Love Keeps Lifting Me Higher and Higher by the legendary Jackie Wilson. And this one really shouldn't give you any problems, even if you are just starting out, because the only chords you will need are just D. You will need a G. And you will need an E minor. Okay, so like I always say, if any of those give you any problems, just try freezing the screenshot and practice changing from one chord to the other. But assuming you're okay with them and you're good to go, let's just have a look at a quick strumming pattern before we jam the song. So ready with that D, and we just want a kind of a simple, something like that. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, and so on. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so let's crack on now, and I'm going to hum the tune in the background, so you have to excuse the singing, but just so you can see how the melody of the tune sits over the chord sequence. Okay, so ready with your D, and so that's just to the D, change to the G, E minor, and then a D. Your love. And that is it. It just keeps those chords going round and round the whole length of the song. What a classic it is. Get those vocal cords sorted and it will be banging, a lot better than my little humming along there. But all the best. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy. Keep practicing, it will sound great. And I'll see you again soon for more super easy songs with Ben Golding Guitar. Thank you.